Question 16 is about classification. Look at the term order. Remember it? Yeah, there's a sequence, okay, of classification from big to small, okay. The biggest one is a domain, right? Then they will then become kingdom. And then they will down into phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. The question just says one thing that they are at the same order here. So look at the option. Which one is correct? Just one keyword. Same order. So C and D is unknown to us because we don't know the property, right? We just know that A or B. Look here, if they have the same order, then they come from the same class, right? But even if they have the same order, they may have different family, different genus, right? So the answer is same. Thank you.